Actually, alam ni Governor Nelson de Anguireng at ni Mayor Mayo, no, nung he was still in Congress, na kami yung initially naglagay ng 200 million dito for the development and rehabilitation of the Davao Oriental or Mati Airport. Ngayon nagsimula na, it's not yet enough pero we will add some more para mabuhay natin ito para so that commercial flights hopefully mag-start ang commercial flights dito because malaki ang potential ng Davao Oriental especially for tourism. Yun nga lang, yung distance niya medyo malayo siya sa Davao City Airport, no, sa Davao International Airport. So hopefully dahan-dahan pagtutulong-tulungan natin, I defend the budget of DOTR, so lalagyan natin ng budget to para matapos natin to the soonest possible time.
Magkano kayo estimated pa para for...
Runway alone, we'll need about 700 million kasi nga ano yan eh. Anyway, it's preparation for a bigger aircraft, no? Kasi pwede yan for turboprops. But later on, di natin alam, baka mamaya pag gumanda ang traffic dito, mabuti na yung prepared tayo. So right now, di-develop natin extension ng terminal para magamit siya for, siguro initially for turboprop commercial planes. But later on, pag sabi ko, ang ganda ng Davao Oriental, pag ito'y na-promote ng husto, malay nyo, di ba? Maganda ng Airbus. So yun ang initially, yung land acquisition man tinapos para at least prepared na siya, yung 200 million doon napunta. So siguro maybe hindi pa natin alam yung estimates, so, pero yun nga, yung runway alone maybe about 700 million. So another probably 200 million for the terminal building para sa continuation ng kanya construction. Well, to the people of the Oriental, of course, be rest assured na si Senator JB yung kakampit kasama dito, no? Tayo naman yung nagsimula na naglagay ng pondo para dito, tatapusin natin para at least mabuhay natin yung ekonomiya dito, especially for tourism and agri, no? Siyempre pag nagkaroon ng commercial flights dito, malaking tulong yan for the tourism. So pagtutulong-tulungan natin, tatabahuhin natin yan. Hopefully itong next 3 years that I'm still there on my first term, so kung matuloy di mas matagal mapapaayos pa natin. So yun po, no, that's my commitment to Davao Oriental, itong Mati Airport and of course yung provincial hospital also na pangako ko dati kay Govian, because I also defend the budget of the Department of Health. So any equipment that we can get and to improve the hospital, at least gumanda naman yung serbisyo ng hospital dito.
Thank you po.
Matulungan natin.
Thank you po.
Thank you.